If you are on a computer or a tablet that has a trackpad, I actually use, even though I've got a trackpad, I actually use a mouse, so I didn't even realize it. But if you are in a contact area, here was the example, and if you did a left swipe, so maybe you're like this, where you've got your list there and you swipe left. If you swipe too far or something, it was causing the browser understood that as being a refresh the browser command, and it would force you to relog in. So I was able to stop that. So now, at least in Chrome, Safari may still be an issue. They the notes, the developer notes on that was saying that Safari may still have not fixed an issue on their end, but if you're using it in Chrome or Edge or some of the other ones, it should be fine.